Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on TCS. Our analysts maintains buy on TCS with a price target of Rs 4,750. As we believe the company is well placed to deliver better performance in FY25 given the large deal ramp-ups, robust order book and aided by pent-up demand in key BFS vertical and the gradually receding macro headwinds. The company continues to report resilient performance evident from record order wins TCV and strong expansion in margins in Q4. The deal wins TCV was robust, growing 63% quarter-on-quarter and 32% year-on-year, with book-to-bill at 1.8 times, providing revenue visibility for the quarters ahead. We expect 11% sales and 15% PAT CAGR over FY24 to 26. The company is witnessing green shoots and moderate growth in consumer business and pent-up demand in BFS. Management believes FY25 to be certainly better than FY24. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.4 times FY25 and 23.6 times FY26 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.